everyone, welcome back to the cottage. Today we are making apple cider, and you're just going to need apples and a cider press to do this. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to cut our apples into quarters just so they're a little bit easier to manage. Now from here, you don't have to core them. You don't have to core them or peel them, but you're going to have to mash them up. So you can either chop them by hand or use a food processor, which is what I'm going to do. Alright. It doesn't have to be completely pulverized, just mashed. Then we're going to add it to our cider press. We got this cider press off of Amazon. I'll post a link in the description below. Plate in first. And you're going to need quite a bit of apples to do this. We got our apples in, and we are going to assemble the rest of the press around it. That goes up on top of the apples, just like that. And we put our blocks in. And now we have our own cider. We'll see you next time at the cottage.